reignite your business. This is Dana Susan Beasley of Angel Art Stuff Biz. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about the 3 ingredients that are needed for a successful business or a successful business launch. So let me get right into it. The first ingredient that a successful business needs is a brand. Now, corporations know that branding is essential. In fact, they spend tens of thousands of dollars on branding. It is their most important asset, and it's your most important asset. Now, am I suggesting that you spend tens of thousands of dollars on it? No, but some kind of investment is important. Now, a brand is not merely a logo. It's so much more. It's the connection you have between you and your company and your target market, because people do business with people they like, know, and trust. So that really is what branding is all about. Now, the second ingredient to a successful business or a successful business launch is a business plan and marketing plan. If you don't know your destination, it's impossible to get there. It's kind of like going on a trip and not knowing where you are going. You're not going to go anywhere. So, or it's like knowing that you want to get to point B, but you don't know how to get from point A to B. You're not going to get there. You're going to get lost. So you need a roadmap. You need strategies. You need tactics. You need processes. You need systems so that you are actually making a profit. That's what a business is meant to do, and being successful, and most importantly, having that impact that you desire to have, that God has placed into you. All right, so that is the ingredient number 2, is a business plan and marketing plan. Now, the third ingredient is knowing when to ask for help. We are not islands. No man or woman is an island. We need help. There's no way we can know everything, and that's okay. You know, especially if you got into this because it's your passion. Like, my husband is an architect. He doesn't know that much about marketing. He doesn't know anything about marketing, so that's why he relies on me to do that. So, and for me, you know, I can't do everything. I'm going to be definitely needing help going forward to expand our business. And then there's knowledge that we all need that we just don't know. We can't know everything either, and there's so many resources available for help. So that's the third ingredient that you need for a successful business, is getting the help that you need. All right, so I would like to be of help to you and let you know of some resources and opportunities that I have right now. On my page, growmyeconomy.com, you can find a combination of free resources and paid resources that would fit any budget. So specifically on my free resources, I just created a new mini course called What's Driving You. Now, knowing your why is so important, and that's what this little course helps you to do. It helps you to put it on paper, helps you to know what's motivating you, and not only that, but it's also for your children, for your preteen or teen, because if anything, COVID has taught us that working at home, having your own small business is vital to survival. So they need these skills too, and this is a perfect opportunity for them. It's free, it's easy, it's step-by-step, and it's fun. So you will find all that information below here and on growmyeconomy.com. Now, I also have some paid curriculum. This is my curriculum, your guidebook to growing a family economy. There's a manual and a workbook, and it comes in the physical workbooks like you see here and digital options, and you could do a combination. So that's definitely what I have available on that growmyeconomy.com. And also, I am starting a brand new video course that's based on this book. It's going to be in a part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is 8 different sessions, and they're going to be live sessions, like live Zoom sessions, Q&As, and all sorts of bonuses. You can find that also down below or on my website, growmyeconomy.com. It starts September 22nd. It's a very good investment, very affordable and very valuable for what you're going to get. So check that out. So those are the opportunities that I have right now to help you create a successful business, or to refine and define a successful business and improve and grow. Because that's what we all need, is business growth. Otherwise, we will die, right? All right, so those are the 3 ingredients for a successful business. Again, check out my site, growmyeconomy.com. You can find resources there, both free and paid, that will help you build that business of your dreams. All right, so that's all. Again, this is Dana Susan Beasley of angelarts.biz. Together, may we reach new heights in our lives and beyond.